So welcome to the first session today. It's Kiza Thomas Micro taking you through the training in IPM SUITE. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That's how you support us, and that's how we get the best views. Don't forget to leave a review on our channel. So today we are going to go through Mbal and understand how to work with Mbal in IPM SUITE. So you come and double click on Mbal. Mbal is for material balance, just like I explained when we were starting. So when you double click, you should be able to get an interface like this. So here we have this part which is for files. So in files, you can open your work that you previously had. I have different works inside my computer right now. I can open one of them and you can be able to view them. But today, I wanted us to start with a new project. And this project, we start from here. We go to tools and you select which tool we are going to use depending on the project. So these are basically for study purposes. So we have the material balance, we have reservoir allocation, there's the Monte Carlo calculation, we have the decline curve analysis, we have the 1D. So basically the basics that I'm going to take you through today, they are supposed to help you learn this tool so that you can be able to use it for your projects, for your workplaces, so you get familiar with the software so that you don't start from zero. So we have the tools here, and then we have the units. If you want to select the units, you click there, and then you're able to see the units that we work with for the different angles. If you want degrees or you want something else, depending on what you're working with. So I'm not selecting any of these units here. I'm just going to click on OK and I get back. So today we are going to work with one of the tools, and if anyone wants to learn more, you can always get back to me on my social media platforms. On LinkedIn, I use Kiza Thomas Microwise. You can get in touch with me and we can do further learning. So please don't forget to subscribe. So you come to tools. Let's start with the material balance. So you come and click on material balance and the interface changes. So we have new systems here as opposed to other softwares. Here we can add tanks, we can add wells, we can do connections, and as you see, the interfaces have also changed. We only had file and tools, but when you clicked on material balance, now we have new options. We have the tools. If you want to change, we have the options. Here is where we start our project from. When you click on options, you have to set in the reservoir fluid that you have. If you have oil or you have gas, you have a retrocondensate, you have general fluid, you select it from here. So I'm going to take in oil for the start, and then you choose the tank model you want to use. If you are using a tank model, if you're using wells, it's also different. So you choose whether it's a single tank or multiple tank model. So let's use the simple tank for now. Then you also choose the PVT model. If they are variable, if they are different, you can choose a variable, or you select the simple PVT. Then production history, you can choose either to use the tank model or you can use the well model, depending on what your company or the kind of research that you're doing. You choose which model you want to work with. So let's start by working with the tank model. So since we are working with this, if you have a compositional model, then you can say yes, you're working with the compositional model. But if it's a black oil model, you can leave it unchecked. So the other thing that we need to work with is a company, and for this part I would use company like Elite, and then you have to choose a field. So I'm going to call it field. Maybe field. I'll use Kampala as my field. So you use Kampala. You choose a location. You can also call it maybe Kampala. So you have to put according to the project that you're working with, and then the platform. If you're working with offshore, then we can put that we are working with onshore or offshore, so let's use an onshore for now platform. And then here you place your name as the analyst who is working with this. So I'm going to use Thomas as the analyst. So please don't forget to put in this, and don't forget adding a date stamp when you have started your work, so that it can keep all this information. So thank you for being part of us with the introduction. So when you finish, you click on done. So that is the beginning part. And thank you very much for being part of us. We are going to come back in the next module where we shall add on from there. Don't forget to subscribe. It's Kiza Thomas Micro is taking you through this. Please encourage your colleagues to come and be part of this training. It is free training, and it help all of us.